Thank you sa inyong lahat. Hi mga bunso, good afternoon. Kasama ko si Josh. Good afternoon kasi tanghali na. May ID?
Oo.
Hindi ka pa ba tayo late?
Hindi pa naman.
O sige. Meron na kasing shuttle dito sa amin kung saan kami nakatira. Papuntang Makati. Saan yan? Makati?
Loton, Alabang.
Loton, tsaka Alabang.
Every 30 minutes, oh.
So 90, 145. Ayos ah.
Monday to Sunday.
Where?
5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Uy, ganda. Oh, wow.
Sa ano, ang sakayan ay sa Walter Mart. Sa may Don Bosco.
Uy, lapit lang.
Walter Mart. Tapos yung sa Loton, Park and Ride.
A few moments later.
Dito tayo sa Mazda. Sinamahan ako ni Ate Nikki. Actually, binenta ko na yung binigay ko sa kanyang sasakyan. And then, ang bumili lang namin is a family friend. So, binenta ko na installment. And then, ito na yung kukunin ko. The new Mazda 3 2019. So, tingnan natin. Okay. I'm so happy. Kita mo yung ngiti ko, abot langit. Magte-test drive kami ni Ate Nikki. Tingnan natin. Technically, this is my first brand new car. Na ako nagbayad. Kasi yung first, binigyan ako ni Mami. I'm so happy.
Sobrang tuwa.
It's my reward. Paano ba ako magtrabaho? In order for me to work harder, kailangan may binabayaran ako. So,
Fact yun sa kanya. Baliktad kami.
oo.
Kasi ako, hanggat kaya ko magtipid sa sarili ko, titipirin ko yung sarili ko. Eh, hindi kami parehas ng views and opinions about that. Yin and yang kami.
Kasi ako, kapag wala ka ng pera, kailangan gumastos ka. Pag may pera ka, kailangan magtipid ka. Eh ngayon, wala tayong budget. So, kailangan natin gumastos. Ganito lang yun eh. Pero ano lang to, feeling ko nag-a-apply lang to sa mga nagiging ahente. Kung ikaw ahente, nagbebenta ka ng kondo, tapos wala kang pera, nagtitipid ka, tapos nasa bahay ka lang, hindi ka makakabenta. So in order for you to look for opportunities, kailangan lumabas ka. You have to spend in order for you to gather new clients. Kasi kung magtitipid ka, may pera ka nga, sabi mo, may pera ka. Habang nasa bahay ka lang, mauubos din yan eh. So, might as well, lumabas ka na, ubusin mo na yung pera mo para may opportunity. Natutunan ko yun kay Mami.
One eternity later.
Ano, hi! How are you?
Okay.
Hi! You wanna stay in front?
So good. Or, yeah.
Lulu!
Asan tayo?
What's up?
Magtagalog ka nga eh.
Ano?
Tagalog. Punta ngayon kami sa... What's the place called?
Sure.
Tignan mo.
In
Punta kami
Italy.
sa Christmas party ng Ludre.
Yeah, Maligang Pasko.
Hi!
So ngayon, vlogger si Josh.
Hindi ako vlogger, cameraman lang.
Cameraman, please subscribe, like, and share to cameraman si Josh. Instagram at John Benson.
Lord Josh Benson.
You look to your left, you see, I don't know what that is. Look to your right, you see a Suzuki blue car. What's up mga kapamilya? Oh
Hi.
snap, I hear the names. We're about to see everybody inside there and we're gonna film this.
One of the, because I'm the number one.
Kain na tayo! Thank you sa inyong lahat na nandito, na nagbigay kayo ng oras para sa kanilang dalawa. So, maraming salamat and enjoy na tayo. Yay! Hello po!
Puro flamingo.
Alam niyo, nakita niyo po ba yung stories ko yung tinatapos na yung kanta? Tapos hindi tama yung lyrics.
Anong term yun? Banago?
Binago na.
Binago ba yun?
Ano?
Binago ba yun?
Ano? Binago na ba? Binago na ba?
Binago na ba?
Kung mali ako, binago na ba?
Tinuro sa kanya ni Josh before going here. Sabi, kung nagkamali ka ng Tagalog word, sabihin mo, binago na ba? Yan, kalokohan niya ni Josh.
Ako lang.
Kasi magaling siya kumanta, di ba po?
Josh. Di ba, kahapon we had our first hosting event? Congratulations! Thank you. Pero ang ganda talaga ng boses ni Joe. Ganda ng boses ni Joe, di ba? She was very shy kasi public speaking was something for her growing up. Pero talaga, she did sobrang great and I'm very proud about that.
Thank you. Because he pushed me. Siya yung nag-push talaga. Sabi ko, you got this. So, alright. Thank you. Thank you rin po sa inyo, Diyos ko po. Kasi nakikita ko na yung mga tweets before nun. Kaya mas lalo kaming ginanahan kayo. Thank you. Hi po.
Tapos yung... And the chalk, the yeah! Oh my god. It's not even work talaga if it's like when we're together, it's just us having fun and then to see the pictures of it. It's so cool.
Wala po nangyari para sa atin po lahat yun.
So, I want to say a big thank you to you guys for supporting us to get to this point. We love you guys so much and we're excited for the new year. Thank you guys for
Salamat po! Maraming salamat dahil... Diba lumabas din po kami sa Christmas special?
my goodness, sobrang...
Nakakakaba pero nakakatawa lalo na nung nakikita namin kayo dun sa left side namin as in, what?
We were looking in the audience, you know, there's like ang daming, you know, signs, there's other big support groups. And then when we first went out, we looked up there and it's like, Lou, Yano, Andre, it's like, whoa, they're there. So big thank you to you guys for coming out.
Salamat po sa mga bagong sintra niyo. Alam ko pinaghihirapan niyo. Thank you po, grabe. Sobrang dahil magtatapos na yung pinakamagandang taon so far sa buhay ko. With you guys, with Andre, with my family, with my friends, a lot of people I've met, kasama po kayo doon. Thank you for including us in your daily lives. Kasi alam ko pong kasama talaga kami doon, nakikita po namin lahat na support nyo, nararamdaman po namin lahat. Na sobrang, even sa times na sobrang malapit na mag-give up, gano'n, kahit hindi, nandyan po kayo na, talagang, alam nyo, pag may nararamdaman kami, tapos linalagay nyo talaga sa sa trending. So, thank you. You're letting the world know how supportive you guys are and how much you love us. And thank you so much for a beautiful journey. Thank you po. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Maraming salamat po.
Ludre, hanggang dulo na yan!
Diba? Or she said. So we miss you guys. Miss kayo. Diba? Namin kayo. This month, totoong ang daming nangyari, diba? This month is one of the busiest months. So, to see all you guys today makes us so happy and to bring joy to our hearts. Not only to our hearts, but to see you guys as friends laughing together and you guys happy as well. So, that makes us so happy that this event that we created today. Thank you guys, and thank you God for all these beautiful souls in this event tonight. We love you, and thank you for the flamingos, man. Yes.
Yes. Oh, let's just cheer for the success of Ludre, everyone!
Everyone, thank you po! Thank you sa Ludre Hot Mamas! Hi, Nani! Crush mo daw siya! Hi! Sa vlog ko. Sama ka sa vlog ko. Hi, Nani! Alam! So yun, hello!
Hello! Ingat ka! Merry Christmas! and
Merry
Happy New
Christmas!
Year.
Happy New Year!
Hello,
Good night! Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you guys for taking us.
Yeah, bye!